So, now in today's class we will be learning something very important, that is how is that we are going to establish a connection between so called JSP code followed by JDBC, and you are connecting this JDBC with MySQL. Okay. So, this is what today we are trying to learn. So, we are creating a JSP code, that is, in this JSP what we are trying to do is, here we are going to create a HTML page, we are connecting it to JSP, and this JSP is going to connect to JDBC, this JDBC is going to connect to MySQL. So, this is how here we are trying to execute. So, for this first what should we do is, we will check what is the version of SQL, MySQL here. So, go to program files. So, check your MySQL, go to command prompt. So, what is the password here? Here my password is root, just type root, enter. Now, here you could see the version of your MySQL, that is 8.0.23. Now, what should we do? So, now we need to download a driver for this MySQL. So, now see here, go to Google, MySQL JDBC connector. Now, when you go to this, directly it will take you to the website. Open. Now, look at this. Here it is selecting, it is searching for operating systems. Here you will be having all new operating systems. Take for example, platform independent. So, when I go for, now you see what is the version here, 9.1.0. So, that will not suit my MySQL. So, what is my MySQL version? It is 8.0.23. So, for this what should I do? I will go to archives, click here, select your operating system 8.0.23, ok. Select your operating system. Here do you find Windows here? No, we do not find any Windows here. So, we will be clicking on platform independent, click here. Now, here when we take this platform independent, whenever I go for Windows file, generally it will be with a zip file. Whenever I go for Linux file, it will be with a tar file. So, I will download my zip file, click on download. Open. Now, see here, extract here, fine. This is your MySQL file, this is your MySQL file, connector file for your JDBC. Okay. Now, what should I do with this? Where should I place this MySQL connector file? So, just copy it down. So, find out where you have installed your Tomcat. So, here in my case I installed somewhere in G:, find our Tomcat. In that you have got a lib folder, go there. I have already placed it here. So, I have already placed it, now just paste again once again, fine. So, this is the first step. Once this is over, go to the next step. So, what is the next step here? So, I will be creating a database in my MySQL, that is create database test. This is my database name, use test, that is I am moving into my test database. In this I will be creating a table. So, create table login. First thing here in this, I got user ID as integer and password as varchar of 10. This is my table. Just wait, your table is created here. Okay. Now, So, now let us see whether my table is created or not. DESC login. Fine, you have got your table that is created with user ID and password. So, this is your backend data what you are trying to do. Now,